In a quiet corner of rural America where time often seems to stand still, some stories aren't found in books but are hidden away, waiting for a new chapter. For Liam, a master restorer with a passion for automotive history, that story began inside a forgotten barn. Sunlight sliced through the dusty air, illuminating decades of neglect. There, beneath a heavy weathered tarp, lay a silhouette frozen in time. As he pulled back the canvas, the form of a 1921 Lincoln Model L truck emerged from the shadows, a relic from an era of ambition and innovation. Its body was a tapestry of rust and decay, a ghost of its former glory. Liam circled the truck, his hands tracing the lines of its corroded panels. He paused, his gaze fixed on a shattered headlight, a wheel seized by rust, and the faint yet still proud Lincoln emblem on the grille. It was more than just a truck. It was a challenge, a piece of history whispering for a second chance. Back in the controlled chaos of his workshop, the monumental task began. The disassembly was a slow, deliberate dance with the past, each component a puzzle piece to be solved. A time lapse would show the methodical deconstruction as the truck was carefully taken apart, bolt by stubborn bolt. Rusted fasteners fought back, groaning after a century of silence. Liam worked with the precision of a surgeon, meticulously removing every fragile part, tagging and documenting its place in the grand design. The workshop filled with the sounds of revival, the high-pitched scream of a grinder smoothing away layers of corrosion, the rhythmic scrape of sandpaper revealing clean metal beneath, and the whir of polishing wheels promising a future shine. Nights were spent under the glow of a desk lamp, where Liam hunched over faded blueprints and grainy photographs from the 1920s, his face etched with concentration, deciphering the engineering secrets of Henry Leland's creation. The tide began to turn as resurrection replaced deconstruction. On workbenches, a powerful visual story unfolded. Corroded, pitted parts lay beside their newly fabricated or meticulously restored counterparts. The contrast between decay and perfection, stark and beautiful. The chassis, once a skeleton of rust, was coated in a deep, lustrous black, ready to bear its weight once more. Skilled hands expertly applied layers of rich, dark green paint to the cab and body, each coat bringing the truck closer to its original splendor. The scent of fresh lacquer and polished chrome filled the air. Inside the cab, new leather upholstery was carefully stretched and fitted, replacing the tattered remnants of the original. The heart of the machine, the colossal V8 engine block, was painstakingly rebuilt from a hollow, rusted shell. Then came the moment of truth. With a final turn of a wrench and a flick of a switch, the engine coughed, sputtered, and roared to life, its steady hum a triumphant testament to the countless hours of labor. Liam stepped back, wiping a bead of sweat from his brow, a deep, quiet satisfaction settling over him. The culmination of this journey of passion and perseverance stood gleaming under the bright workshop lights. The 1921 Lincoln Model L truck was no longer a derelict relic, but a masterpiece reborn, every curve and detail restored to pristine condition. The polished brass radiator gleamed. The intricate wooden spokes of the wheels shone, and the iconic Lincoln Greyhound hood ornament seemed ready to leap forward. With a wide, triumphant smile, Liam climbed into the driver's seat, the new leather creaking softly. The engine rumbled with a confident, powerful note as he guided the magnificent machine out of the workshop and onto the open road. Cruising down a scenic country lane, with the sun glinting off its perfect finish, the truck was a moving monument to a bygone era, brought back to life not just by skill, but by an unwavering dedication to preserving history. It was a testament to the idea that with enough passion, even the most forgotten treasures can be given a glorious new dawn.